back, and today I'm going to do a nice little pork roast for dinner. And these, mind you, oh boy, these ones were beautiful. These are the beautiful pork roasts. I got probably 8 of them, and I got them on sale, about maybe a month ago at Dublin General Store here, our local grocery store. Every Friday they have that wonderful Green Day sale. And I got these for 79 cents a pound. So, I got a nice bunch of them in my freezer. But anyway, I am going to use these wisely so they last. But I've got twice a week, my children all come and we get together for dinner. So my son said, Mom, make one of those pork roasts, would you? That and some potatoes and carrots and onions, just the good old-fashioned way. So I thought I would show you how I do this. So I got this beautiful roast, and it's got bone in. Right there's a nice chunk of bone. But this thing is beautiful. And I'm going to make a mess on my counter, so bear with me. I usually do this all in my sink, but yeah, for some reason I can't get my camera up there so you can see in the sink. Anyway, first thing first is I am going to use, you can certainly use, maybe, get it open here, you can certainly use fresh garlic, but I am just going to use my already minced garlic. This stuff is great. And I'm going to put a good, about a good half rounded tablespoon in there. Oh, maybe, you know what? Maybe I'm even going to do a little more, because that's going to flavor that meat beautifully. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use a good teaspoon of ground rosemary. Put that in there. You know what? I'm going to make that a teaspoon and a half. Put that lid on there, and I also need my olive oil. Got that. And I'm going to let my salt fall in there. I'm going to do a good teaspoon of salt. Okay. And also a little bit of pepper. And this, friends, is all I season it with, and it turns out beautiful. Absolutely. I'm going to put a good teaspoon of pepper in there with everything else. Okay. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in here. And I'm going to mix this up. And I'm going to make a nice little paste. See that? Make a nice little paste with that. Put a little bit more olive oil in there because I want it nice and sticky. This will be wonderful. These always turn out good. They have, at my local grocery store, they have excellent meat there. Just beautiful meat. And Friday, I think they spoil us, because Fridays they always have a Green Day Friday sale. I'm going to drizzle some some oil on the meat and rub it real good. Give it a little bit of a massage, and I'm going to start coating this all over this meat. Now, mind you, I always do this in my sink, but for some reason I can't get my camera in there today for you to get a good picture of this. So, this is the next best thing. Alright, get all this off here. Got all that real good on there. See how that's pushed right on in there? Beautiful. That will be so good. And that rosemary, nothing like rosemary and pork. Let me rinse my hands real quick. Okay, now I'm going to put it in my little roasting pan here. I'm going to cover that. I've got my oven set at 350. And I'm going to cook this. I'm going to roast this for about 2 hours. But in about 1 hour, see that real well? In about 1 hour, I'm going to take the lid off, and then I'm going to put my potatoes and carrots and my onions, and no cabbage, not this time. My son wanted cabbage, but I'm out of cabbage. So it'll be just potatoes, onions, and carrots. And after about an hour, I'll bring it back and I'll show you how it looks with all the veggies in there. Hey friends, I am back. It's been in there for, I think about an hour and a half. And I am just going to put my onions all in here. I got lots of onions because my family loves them. Okay. Lots of potatoes to go in here. Tons and tons and tons. I got a lot of people I'm going to feed tonight. And then I'm going to do a little bit of my baby carrots. A couple nice big handfuls because everybody likes them. And then the leftovers, if there's any leftover, which probably won't be. Love carrots. I'll can it. Alright. I'm going to put some salt, pepper, and garlic on my potatoes. Let me rinse my hand. Then on my veggies. That's beautiful. My lid is cooled down. See that? That's going to be gorgeous. I'm going to leave this lid on in about, a half hour or so before it's done. I'll take the lid off and that'll get nice and crusty on the outside and beautiful. So, there it is. I'm going to put it back in the oven for about another hour. And when it's done, I'll show you how it looks. Hey friends, it's all done. Ooh, let me get my glasses for me. Look at there. That is fantastic. And look at how crispy. I cut into it earlier, but look at how nice and crispy that crust is. Beautiful. The potatoes and everything, the onions are all done, and we are going to eat. So, once again, thank you for watching, and we're going to go enjoy dinner. Hey friends, it's all done. I like that.